Dude's just chilling. And his mom out in Arizona is just like expecting me to do this, even though I have other rides. I'm an hour from home. I'm basically stuck with a guy that I can't leave here for legal reasons, and they won't take because they can't prove that his BAC is below a certain amount. Apparently 0.3 is the max, and apparently he was 0.156, and they can't prove that because he can't do a breathalyzer, even though it looks like they drew his blood. So yeah, I'm basically stuck.
So, how we didn't have the paperwork from the hospital?
Yeah.
These keys work for that door, right?
I don't have mine yet. The Aki works for it.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna have you blow on this for me. So I'll let you know. You're just gonna blow air inside of it, okay?
How much did you drink?
I got a little drunk.
Huh?
Do this first, buddy. You gotta do this first.
Are you in pain?
Yeah.
What's hurting you? Did you fall? You did?
Okay, blow air in here. Blow air. Push hard. Okay.
So you fell. When did you fall?
I broke my ribs
When?
a couple days ago.
Did you get treated?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's 0.043.
Okay.